Hey everybody, Michael Pilhofer here, MSP Fitness, and I wanted to shoot this quick little one-off video on another common error that we see in the gym here with kettlebell swings, and we do have an entire common error video that kind of covers a huge of the big puzzles, but I wanted to deal with this one that I'm going to dub the pendulum error. And what I see is we still have a relative hip hinge, but if you watch my knees in particular, what you're going to see is sort of this kind of like rocking back and forth deal. And this kind of stumped me for a minute. I was watching clients do it and I'm like, I know it's wrong, but I'm like, man, what is happening? What is happening? And I think I finally figured out the key or the answer. When we're talking about kettlebell swings, we're talking about a hip hinge. It is like the top quarter of the deadlift return to the floor where from a standing position, I hinge the hips back, the shins stay relatively vertical, and I drive the body over. The chest comes over, it should to kind of counterbalance. And with this sort of pendulum error, where I think the mistake happens is the knees open first and the lifter or the athlete drops vertically, then hinges. And that's where that sort of looseness now happens in the hamstrings, where if I hinge back, I'm loading all this up. I've got kind of support here. If I drop my knees, I'm soft. I've got nothing. So that's where we get this kind of rocking position. So again, rather than locking out, dropping and swinging through, what I want to do, and I talk about this, I mean, it's easier to say with guys, like, you wait for that bell to come back until you have to open the hips. We talk about the hips as a trap door, open, close. So what I want to see is wait, drop back, go, not open, pendulum. Wait, go. So if I'm doing this right, hopefully you'll see that my shins stay relatively vertical or a consistent angle as we swing through. So hopefully that gives you a little insight into the pendulum error. I'm dubbing that the pendulum error. MSP Fitness here. Check us out on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to us. Also check us out at mspfitness.com. Have a great day.